Let's go over the Chapter 13 problems assignment. And so this assignment is pretty short, only 4 problems, and this first one is very short because most of your time this week is going to be spent on your financial analysis assignment. Okay, so this first question here is talking about how when you do the ratios, we want to compare them. And your comparisons can be intra-company, industry, competitor, or guideline. So for our financial analysis assignment, you're going to be doing competitor comparisons, but you might want to look at some guidelines when you are trying to analyze whether each company has an acceptable ratio. So you want to look on page 504 for these definitions of intra-company, industry, competitor, and guidelines. Problem 2 is going to be doing horizontal analysis. And if you go to page 505, you can see the calculations for dollar change and percent change. And if you look on Exhibit 13.1 on page 506, you'll see an example of a horizontal analysis. So problem 3, you're going to be vertical analysis or preparing common size statements. And so the vertical analysis is on page 508 to 510 in the textbook. And an example of a common size income statement is on Exhibit 13.9. You'll find on those pages. And then our last problem in the problems assignment is doing vertical analysis or a common size balance sheet. Okay. So again, you'll see an example of that Exhibit 13.8 in the textbook. That's on page 509. Pretty simple calculations. And then after we've covered horizontal and vertical analysis in the problems assignment, you're going to do the ratio analysis in your financial analysis project, and that will take up the majority of your time this week.